should be ready for you to be coming for you.
Oh, sendiri.
Memang itu aja. Oh, I think I really like it. Itu ayat berikutnya. Love hindi kotor.
Like in the house,
Very
there's
good.
just some things that never change. You say you just friends, but friends don't know the way you taste. La la la.
Ada di mana ini ya? Di atas gedung.
Oh, oh, you don't even.
Mas, ayo bang.
Call me señorita. Na 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 na. Oh, let me ask this. Actually, we're just having fun. It's not. Yeah, it's just really for fun, but still, we enjoy for the gathering. We enjoy for the friendship, and then we enjoy for the relaxing time. But still learning English. Still related to English. This very great night, and then just really want to encourage them, and then really want to push them to speak in English. And later you will hear they are going to speak in English to you guys there, isn't it? Oh, okay. So before we start singing again, and then you need to say something to the word. Navia first. Yeah.
What me?
Say something about what
Hello.
Or you can tell what song do you like, and then why do you like that song?
For this time, apa dalam waktu belakangan ini?
This last few
This last few
weeks,
yeah,
this last few months, yeah.
maybe weeks. I like to sing a song. The title Without Me. From Halsey.
Okay, why do you like it?
Because the song is talk out about someone is can't living without me. You can't live without me because I make you in the top position in your life.
So great, yeah?
Yeah.
It's really great. Okay,
Just who?
and then
I ever heard the song from a song from Ariana Grande.
Okay.
No tears left to cry.
no
No tears.
no cheers
No tears left to cry.
left to cry. Okay.
And then I curious for one word. Yeah, for one word. When she sings, there is. Wait, yes. No tears left to cry.
Why do you like it?
She say one word I didn't understand until now.
Okay.
She told about his love. Her love. Kok nggak dapet ya? Pas lagi perlu kayak gini. Dia bilang gini, Miss.
In English.
She said like this. Na 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 na. I like M. What is the meaning of M?
Oh, so means is it M maybe goes to her aunt or to a secret person?
Secret person.
Okay, so you need to find your M then, right? Because Yeah, because not everyone can tell people that she or he likes someone.
Oh.
And before things just getting clearer, and then so then she or he still keeps in secret.
Oh, I like
That's for my prediction only. Right. Okay. We goes to. Have you finished?
Oh, yeah, for this time.
Okay. We come to these great greeters.
Great. Hello. Hello. How are you?
Daniel is there. Could you please shoot it to me? I want to say something to Daniel. Okay, Daniel. Thank you for greetings here. And then very sorry that I just realized that today is your birthday. And then we want to sing Happy Birthday to you. Can you please? This is a gift for Daniel. You need to show me.
Please?
Yes. Atau jamrut aja deh, jamrut.
Hari ini
Hari
Yang kau tunggu bertambah 1 tahun usiamu, bahagialah
Gak dapat semua ya.
yang ku beri,
Bukan
jantan cincin atau seikat bunga atau puisi, juga kalung hati. Maaf, bukannya pelit atau nggak mau, bermodal dikit yang ingin aku beri padamu, doa tulus hati. Happy birthday, Daniel. Semoga Tuhan melindungi kamu agar tercapai semua angan dan cita-citamu. Mudah-mudahan diberi umur panjang, sehat selama-lamanya. Selamat ulang tahun. Happy birthday, Daniel. We really love you. The way you do your work is just truly great. And then very sorry that today we were together quite long and we were too focused in doing the work and we didn't provide any cake, we didn't celebrate anything, and then we didn't enjoy for beautiful words, but we enjoy it for the beautiful day today. And then see you tomorrow, and then we're going to have kind of trip again. Okay, we continue with another song.
dialogue, not dialogue, but about conversation. Sing. About your life.
Do you have love story that you would like to share?
Story about?
About love story. Your love story?
I don't have. It's dark, not
It's all dark. It's all dark.
in my life. Nothing is.
Okay, and you don't even have any kind of questions.
But if you want to know about me, please subscribe my channel.
Subscribe ya YouTube Citra.
Citra Isi Payung. Please subscribe channel YouTube. My channel YouTube Citra Isi Payung. You can see about my life.
Please move on.
Move on.
And movement.
I have
Just
a
move.
woman from the deepest of my heart. I create the song. The title is Move On. Spesial
someone.
See? You see?
Oh, yes.
Always been in someone's secret.
Secret.
And someone in
I
secret.
like I like
I like
dikira orang nanti inisialnya.
Okay.
Oke, thank you.
And then my Sumarli.
No.
Yeah, that's one man.
How about jealous?
Enggak ada.
Our handsome man here.
Oh yeah.
This is hello, young man. How are you today? Are you happy now? I ever heard you sing jealous. Why you like that song? Without guitar.
Enggak ada spesial sing, cuma saya suka. I like I'm jealous. Lirik
So jealous you don't
liriknya kalau bilang bahasa
Yes,
Inggrisnya,
lirik.
lirik.
Yeah, lyric. And how about the secret love?
Nggak suka.
The secret love. No, I just don't look at me.
I like lirik.
You just like the lyric, okay?
The singer? How about the singer? Morissette. How about me?
Okay, so okay. Oh wow. And then, what do you want to know? What is your questions? So I know what to answer.
What is your favorite song?
My favorite song. A lot. Okay, which one is
Say
the?
something.
There is one. That's for my future life partner. I'll say. Better Today. I really like that song actually. But you guys gonna sing it for my wedding day. Actually. But when is the day and who is the man? Okay. Why do you like the song? It was like how you make me better today than I was before, and I'm not looking for anybody else once I find you. That's thing.
Why?
Yeah, I think that's one of my favorite songs, and also Perfect, and then but Perfect in women version to be sure. Then what else? Seems like motivational songs. I like it, and I have a new favorite song for these days. This is my first time to love Bahasa song, but it is representing to my beloved niece. Yes. Okay, what is your next question?
Apa tanya Kak Sid?
Do you have any questions for me? No, because I don't really have many. Do you have any questions?
Do you have any questions?
Because I'm not going to tell anything without questions.
Ulangi, kurang jelas.
What?
Why are you still jomblo? I know you have many friends or boyfriends.
Boyfriends, yeah. Boyfriends.
Not
Well, so you have a very beautiful question. And I really wonder why these things comes to the very personal thing. Okay, but fine. Why am I still single? Because single makes me happy for now. But the thing is, Is it easier to tolerate that? Because usually, normally, man, meant for them to complete, okay, or man or normally wants to complete woman, and I am another woman with another style that I want a man who double me, not who complete me, because I am a complete and full. So I need a man that can double me. Double me in doing works, double me in building family, double me in building relationships, double me in church service, social works, and then yeah, that's it.
Okay. Do you see that? That's your characteristic man.
I want someone who can double me, not who complete me, because I am a complete one.
How about you, Bang Sum? Do you have any girl in your life for your future? Maybe this girl.
Don't look at me.
Or no?
Don't look at me.
Do you like Kak Citra? I know that. I don't answer. I don't answer. No, bilang langsung balik. Do you like Why? I am not asking you about love, about like.
Oh. I like
Told me you were ready to commit, trust me. Send me a message received. Said you couldn't take us too seriously. I must admit I was relieved, 'cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. Fully aware this is a flash in the
We are now going for
Still
eating.
have fun tonight.
What kind of eating is? Already, right?
Udah gue cabut tadi yang aku lari-lari ke bawah.
Okay, yeah, please just.
Bye bye.
bye.
Say bye bye.
Thanks for watching. Thanks for
Bye-bye.
watching.
Aku lagi
Moving in another
Don't
direction.
forget to
Bye bye.
Don't worry, I get it.